In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build knowledge base in Zoho Desk. By the end, you'll know how to set up categories and sections, write an article that's easy to find, and publish it so the right audience can access it. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Click the official Zoho website in the results to head to the home page. Log in with your credentials, and once you're in the Zoho suite, choose Desk from the list of apps. This is where your support portal and knowledge base live. Inside Zoho Desk, navigate to the knowledge base module. You'll usually find it in the main navigation. On the left menu, click Manage KB to access the settings and structure for your content. From there, select Organize Category. This is where you define the top-level buckets that keep your articles neatly grouped. In the top right corner, click Create Category. Give your category a clear, meaningful name and a short description that explains what belongs in it. Next, select the departments you want to associate with this category so the right teams can manage and publish content under it. Set the visibility to control who can access the content. Choose Public if you want anyone to see it, Registered Users for signed-in customers, or Agents if the content is only for your internal team. Under Criteria, choose a status like Open. This helps determine which articles appear in the category based on their status rules. Back on the Organize Category page, click the category you just created to open it. Next to Section, click Add. Sections are subfolders inside a category that help readers drill down to the right topic faster. Enter a section name and description, then click Save. Keep in mind, you can create up to 3 levels of hierarchy, which is useful for larger libraries but still easy to navigate. Now it's time to add content. Return to the Knowledge Base module and click the Add Article icon. Start with a descriptive, search-friendly title that reflects a customer's question, such as, "How do I do X?" instead of using the X feature. Use the rich text editor to write your article. Include step-by-step text, images, and tables where they help, and format with headers and concise paragraphs to improve readability. Add tags that users might search for. These also help Zoho Desk suggest relevant articles to agents while replying to tickets. For search engine optimization, enter an SEO title, meta keywords, and a meta description so external search engines can surface your content. Once your article looks good, click Publish. Your knowledge base is now live according to the visibility you set, and you can always return to update it as your product evolves.